The capital city of Far East Russia's Amur region was blanketed under heavy snow in what officials call the blizzard of the century. Authorities in Blagoveshchensk declared a state of emergency after 36 millimeters of precipitation had fallen in the city. That amount of snowfall beat the city's previous single-day record set in 1935. Amur region Governor Vasily Orlov canceled all public events and suspended dozens of bus routes. He also urged employers to follow schools and universities in switching to remote work. This level of snowfall hasn't been seen here in 100 years, city authorities in Blagoveshchensk said.